classification and species, reading and listening comprehension. Here is the key vocabulary that you will need for this video. I recommend you pause the video now and make sure you know the meaning of these key terms. In the vast, diverse world of biology, classification plays an essential role in helping us to understand the natural world. The process of organizing and categorizing living organisms based on their similarities and differences is known as taxonomy. It helps to make sense of the incredible diversity of life on Earth, numbering in the millions of species, and possibly many more yet undiscovered. Each type of living organism is designated a species, the most specific level of classification. All members of a species share closely related genetic characteristics and can interbreed to produce fertile offspring. But even within species, there can be significant diversity, leading to the concept of subspecies. To organize these species and subspecies, scientists use a hierarchical system. At the broadest level, life is divided into 3 domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. These are further divided into kingdoms, then phyla, classes, orders, families, genre, and finally species. The binomial nomenclature, a 2-part Latin naming system, is used for each species. The first part of this name is the genus, which is shared with closely related species. The second part is the species name. This method, developed by Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century, helps scientists across the globe communicate effectively and specifically about different species. For instance, the house cat is known universally as Felis catus. By classifying the world's organisms, scientists can study and appreciate the vast biodiversity of our planet. It helps them trace the evolutionary relationship between organisms, informing conservation efforts and contributing to our understanding of life itself. Let's check you understand. Here are some true or false questions. Pause the video now. Make sure that you can answer these true or false questions. The answers will be in the comments. This section is designed to push your knowledge. The 18th century was a challenging era for explorers, as illustrated by the students of Carl Linnaeus, known as the Apostles. These budding naturalists ventured globally, encountering many dangers. Pierre Forsskål, part of a Danish expedition to Arabia, died of malaria before returning home. Frederick Hazelsfeldt, despite his significant discovery of the Coffea arabica plant, fell to a fever on his journey from the Middle East. Being an explorer during this time was fraught with risks, often resulting in tragic ends. Thank you very much for listening to this video by Learn English with Tunnicliffe Education. Like and subscribe to get notified when new videos are released.